Welcome to the HBOT News Network. And today, the research rundown focuses on autism, growing concern of autism, and of course, you understand that that doesn't impact just the child, generally where it's discovered, has autism, but the family has huge challenges with autism. There's a lot of research, and there's a lot of cases of hyperbaric oxygen being used for autism. And this, generally research starts with small animal models, and they go to large animal, and then they go to humans. This is a small animal, and so it's out of Switzerland, and it really does a good job of defining what ASD is, or the autism spectrum disorder. And it defines it, breaks it down into a multifactorial neurodevelopmental disorder, which essentially is like a spectrum. So what you see within that spectrum is you see impaired social communication, repetitive behavior, among other symptoms. It's very positive, by the way, for hyperbaric oxygen, and it really refers to some sort of a growing body of case studies, which are individual cases where someone went in and got hyperbaric oxygen and showed some improvement. And so there is a growing body of case studies out there, and then there's also a growing body of research. So this is really focused on small animal. And how do you get a small animal to demonstrate some of the behaviors that might occur with a human with autism? And so it gets into that very specific genes and some of the impact on those genes. So without getting into the deep science, which I'm certainly not a scientist, as a structural engineer, I can tell you, you go to the conclusions, you go to the bottom line, is that with this spectrum, with autism, it's certainly worth trying hyperbaric oxygen, because some individuals with autism respond, beautifully with it, and there's significant improvement rather quickly. Some take a little longer, and some don't have that same response. And my recommendation is that if you've not tried it, because it seems like people, parents that have autistic children try everything, that this would be an important one. I'd put it at the top of the list. Give it a try. Hyperbaric oxygen is going to be researched for a long time to come with autism, and I don't think that we can wait. There's a sense of urgency. It's safe, it's effective if you can get the child in there and give it a try. I pray that it works for you. Thank you.